JetBlue ending the trading day lower, off just about 2.5%. The move coming after a downgrade to underweight by analysts there at Evercore. Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferre has been digging into this call for us. And Ines, what's the downside risk here from Evercore?
Yeah, that's right. Well, Evercore keeping its price target of $8 a share for JetBlue, but as you mentioned, downgrading the stock to underweight from in line, basically with some harsh commentary inside that note, that analyst note, saying JetBlue's balance sheet is on a journey from average to worst in U.S. industry. Talking about JetBlue recently losing that Northeast alliance with American, a federal judge had ordered JetBlue and American to untie their partnership, ruling that it violated antitrust laws, that it created fare hikes, that it created less routes. And also talking about the merger, the pending merger with Spirit, that $3.7 billion deal. And these analysts are saying, while there are twists and turns, we do think that that Spirit acquisition will ultimately get done, while the premium that JetBlue is paying for Spirit continues to expand. Talking about how travel has come back, but when it comes to Spirit, these analysts are saying that the 23 consensus for earnings per share for Spirit has moderated from $3.48 2 years ago to around 30 cents currently, keeping in mind that travel demand has come back.
Looking ahead to later this week, Ines, what can we expect from Delta's second quarter earnings?
Yeah, well, it's interesting because these Evercore ISI analysts have Delta as a top pick. There are actually 20 buys on the stock, one hold. And Delta is expected to report record profits for the second quarter to come in at $2.41 a share, revenue to come in at $14.4 billion. And that profit is expected to be so high because of the pricing power that these airlines have had, lower fuel costs, and the investor day that Delta had recently talking about their initiatives there. The lower fuel costs have really had a benefit when it comes to the airlines, especially when you're talking about the labor costs, which have gone higher because Delta recently had announced a pilot agreement. Keep in mind also, American had recently increased its guidance because of that lower fuel cost. And if you take a look at the performance of these airlines, I'm pulling up the Wi-Fi Interactive right now, and you can see the travel stocks. Those are all higher year to date. You are being led. The ones that have gained the most, yes, are the cruise line operators, but that's closely followed by the airlines. Delta up 48% year to date. You've got UAL up 49%, American 47% higher, guys.
Yeah, certainly have seen consumers shifting their spending patterns and willing to spend, at least for now, on experiences and on travel. All right, Ines Ferre, thanks so much.